Hello everyone. This is going to be a quick video on how to remove old scripts and then put on new. Anytime we put out new scripts, you want to always remove all the old. That way you don't have anything existing that can cause you any problems. So what you want to do is you want to open your NinjaTrader Control Center. All right, once your Control Center is open, just simply go to Tools, Remove Ninjascript. Okay, that's Tools, Remove Ninjascript. Then once you get to remove Ninjascript, just left click it and you'll see our modules are in there. We've got Object Power Trader Controls, OTBoss, Exceed WPF Toolkit. These are our scripts right here. So you need to remove those anytime you put a new one in. So and now if you happen to have an older module, you might have, instead of OTBoss, you might have Object Trader Max P&L. So what you want to do is just simply left click, left click, left click. See how it highlights them in gray? Click remove. Yes, you want to do that. Once it removes them, you're ready to import the new scripts. Now I'm not going to go through how you got those scripts because obviously you're going to want to go to the section of our website, the member area, to download and install new scripts. So you should have that already downloaded to your download folder or your desktop. So I'm going to simply go in and import my new scripts. I'm going to go to Tools, I'm going to go to Import, and I'm going to go to Ninjascript Add-on. Okay, let me show that one more time. Tools, Import, Ninjascript Add-on. Once you click that, this is going to pull up like your download folder. You know, if this is where you got your Ninjascript the last time, it usually is. It might even be on your desktop, but anyway, you're going to have a folder that you've downloaded from our website called OTBoss21. Just simply double click it. It'll import the scripts. And once it does, you simply say that everything's okay. Click OK. Shut down NinjaTrader. And then restart NinjaTrader and your new scripts are ready to go. Okay, you'll want to be sure to use our template called Object Trader NT8 or your preferred template, you know, just however you trade, that's fine. Okay, but that's how to remove the scripts and also to import the new ones. Thanks and have a great day.